Guys, I'm busto. I just broke the news to my cat. It was hard to tell him that that's where we were at, but it was a conversation that had to be had. I tried a lot of things this week. I tried getting donations. I tried getting a job. I had to do what I had to do to get another steak. And what I had to do was use my best skill. I know I'm not proud of what I did. So I'm back in the game. I started off my week playing a little session with Andrew Neeme. Andrew Neeme, to me, he's like the silent assassin. But he's the kind of assassin that gets really creative when he kills you, and you don't even really know it happened, and somehow you just look up and he's walking off with both your money and your severed head. Anybody who says poker's not a sport,
You can.
Can we get a live read on him one time? Can we get a live read? Oh, I got a live read. Is that Tom Dwan? Andrew doesn't steal any of my money, so I gotta put some blues on top because he's like right there. You can't fucking trust this guy.
Hold off like $700. Come back and lose some more.
Do you guys think that sputard has a negative connotation? Because I think we need to change that. To me, sputard is a really big compliment. It's not every day that you get the four biggest sputards in Las Vegas at the same table. Marls, Neeme, Chris, and this monkey. This past weekend, my good friend Alex, aka Novocaine Poker, was in town from Vancouver, where she lives. And whenever she comes around, you know it's gonna be fun. We're gonna take some shots. So she came in on Saturday, and we played a short session together at the Wynn. Very hungover. We went to go see a comedy show and then went out on the town. At the comedy show, they gave us these frozen margaritas that had, I think she said 17 shots in them. They were like, so needless to say, I left that show in a coma. Back is back.
As long as you like each other, you'll be okay. On the way to Cosmopolitan, we have the low stakes grind, we have Marley, we have Novocaine Poker.
Would you rather see a hippopotamus fuck you or me in any time of day? Hippopotamus. Went down to the Cosmo, met up with a couple other friends. I inhaled one of the best sandwiches I've ever eaten in my life.
I'm always hungry. From the Cosmo.
I'm always hungry, and partly it's because I'm expecting, and partly it's because I'm lonely and depressed. This is the dad right here.
So I got her pregnant, so
Okay.
it's awkward.
And then we met up with a couple of friends who were at Marquee. Marquee was a good time. We raged a little bit. I danced on a few tables. Got a text from these guys that they were at Mirage having a 1-2 mixed game meetup. We have a little 1-2 mixed game going on with some crowd favorites, so dressed for the occasion. Never looked better. They don't know what's fucking coming for them. Shark in the water, swimming. So many fun people. It was like a private game. Mirage is great for that. A lot of rooms won't let you do private games and play whatever kind of game you want.
Yeah. All right, do that. Thank you guys. Thank you.
We were doing bomb pots.
Sure.
Bomb pot.
Oh. It's up to you.
Deuce. While you're playing PLO.
I run so damn good.
What do I have here?
Oh, my turn. A pot. Pot limit on mine. I go pot as well.
The dealer just waiting in anticipation.
Good fold, Marls.
Good fold, Marley.
Yeah.
I have pocket kings.
Are we done with this yet?
That was a good turn. Brutal.
Brutal. What a bat. What a bad beat. Oh my god. What a cooler.
I don't know my cards yet. Chris, you think they're good? No, I'm not gonna look. $5.
You're willing.
Just call and be nice.
You're good then, because I only was 7.
I ran pretty god mode. Played a hand towards the end of the night. We had 1, 2, 5, 10, 20. And then somebody said, Marley, will you put the 40 on? So I did that. I had the 40 on. And the hand played out like this. Chris shoves it all in, first to act, $400 and something. Alex then goes all in blind. She has about $150. Priestley in the second straddle re-shoves for like 2 something. And it's a wonderful life for me. I'm just in the like quadruple straddle with the ace king of diamonds.
What the fuck?
This is a ride that I'm getting on. So I hop on 4-way all in.
Okay.
Oh, that's the winner. So the winner.
This is the winner.
Yeah.
All in. I'm blind.
Diamond. Yes!
Dark. I haven't looked.
Got my out.
I need an 8. Black card. Black card. All right. This is the winner.
And it's pretty much a dream. Chris and Priestley have the ace-10 suited, and it turns out that Alex unfortunately was dealt the 8-deuce off. Kind of a good spot for her, honestly, but we hold on a total bricked out board and stacked 3 people. What? Oh my god. I beat 3 people. You better watch yourself before you stack yourself.
Okay. Okay.
So I'm going to the Wynn now. I haven't played poker in 3 days. Gonna go put some hours in. Yeah, hopefully we can lock it up. My plan is to just play some Wynn 2-5 this week a little bit. Let's go to our Old Faithful room of choice, the Wynn, and put in a session and see if we can make some magic happen. Everything started off all well and good. I was sitting in the must move. I was crushing, and then this guy came in and he was looking to gamble. He was just moving money around and getting everybody else too. Like he just got everybody out of the muck. He was like a fucking poker godsend.
Please, 3 black.
I thought you were gonna raise me.
He ended up getting me really good in the beginning. He was going all in blind a lot, playing blind, turning 1 card over. Obviously, this is awesome for the game. I love it. And unfortunately, I was just on the wrong end of variance. I hate that word.
Yeah, your ace is not good. Yay!
That game was insane. Started doing $500 side bets. Red, black, flop, which is basically just if the flop comes red cards, you win. If it comes black cards, I win. So just flipping for $500. And they kept upping the stakes. At one point they were flipping for $1,000 on the flop.
I never did more than 5 to start with.
You see some chips?
Some people had 4, 5, 6,000 in a 2-5 game.
Close your eyes. Yay! Relax. Come on, man. You can do it.
Oh no.
Yay!
Yes!
I played for 7 hours, which is a lot for me these days, so I'm pretty tired. I'm gonna go home and do some work.